Welcome back guys. Tesla is down more than 6% today after negative news coming out. Let's take a look at the charts what they're telling us. But first, as always, I don't want to waste your time, so all the chapters are mentioned in the description so you can skip to your favorite part. Looking at the daily chart, we can see this huge gap towards the downside. Price touched 242 and then currently sitting at 247. Previously we identified 265 to 250, an important range, an important buying area. However, the price has opened with the big gap towards the downside. Reason being Tesla shares dip after third quarter production and deliveries report. Basically, analysts were expecting 365,000 vehicles to be produced and delivered, but they have done 343, missing the analyst target. Hence, the market is taking this negatively. Continuing with our technical analysis, the interesting thing is the RSI at 31 right now likes to go below 30, and that is the point where it pivots. So yeah, there is some chance over here. If we fail to get back into the 250 area, then the next available level is somewhere around the 215, 210 area. Look at all of this support that happened over here 2021 also, and then before that also you can see the consolidation that happened in this range. So if there is a full drop towards 215 and we fail to hold this level, next area can be 175, which is bottom part of this channel and also coincides with the small support available in this region. We have a clear break of the 200 moving average available in red color over here. Something of this sort is possible. Look at this, all the consolidation that happened below the 200 moving average before we saw a good pump in the market. So maybe this week we will see some little bit retracement and then consolidation. By that time RSI would be below 30, and that is the time when we can see further pump. On the 4-hour chart, I can see that the RSI is 25 currently, and this is an important number. Why? Look at this. In 2021, this is the last time, May 2021, when we saw this RSI level, and then we saw this huge pump. So yeah, currently at 25 means that we are in the oversold region and there might be some buying coming up, that as this is an attractive level. Not only this guys, look at this. If I make the fib levels from the June low towards the 314.15 mark, which was the high, we are currently testing a very important level, which is the 0.618 fib level known as the gold zone. Generally a retracement and a bounce from gold zones are known to be very strong. So let's see if we are able to hold this area or not. 248 is the gold zone, and as mentioned earlier, 250, 265, this area is important. So let's see if the price is able to retrace back into this area or not. However, the real action we will see when the earnings are announced on 19 October. Estimate is 1.047 EPS and the revenue estimate is 22.65. If Tesla is again able to beat these numbers, then for sure we will see a pump back towards the 300 area. So this is what is happening with the Tesla stock, and as always you can see how volatile the market is. If you're actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.